100.
100.
100.
Prilozi.
Adverbs.
Adverbs.
Već jednom. Još nikada.
Already. Not yet.
Already. Not yet.
Jeste li već jednom bili u Berlinu?
Have you already been to Berlin?
Have you already been to Berlin?
Ne, još nikada.
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Netko, nitko.
Someone, no one.
Someone. No one.
Poznajete li nekoga ovdje?
Do you know someone here?
Do you know someone here?
Ne, ne poznajem nikoga ovdje.
No, I don't know anyone here.
No, I don't know anyone here.
Još ne više.
A little longer. Not much longer.
A little longer. Not much longer.
Ostajete li još dugo ovdje?
Will you stay here a little longer?
Will you stay here a little longer?
Ne, ne ostajem više dugo ovdje.
No, I won't stay here much longer.
No, I won't stay here much longer.
Još nešto. Ništa više.
Something else, nothing else.
Something else. Nothing else.
Želite li još nešto popiti?
Would you like to drink something else?
Would you like to drink something else?
Ne, ne želim više ništa.
No, I don't want anything else.
No, I don't want anything else.
Već nešto. Još ništa.
Something already, nothing yet.
Something already. Nothing yet.
Jeste li već nešto jeli?
Have you already eaten something?
Have you already eaten something?
Ne, još ništa nisam jeo. Jela.
No, I haven't eaten anything yet.
No, I haven't eaten anything yet.
Još netko. Više nitko.
Someone else. No one else.
Someone else. No one else.
Želi li još netko kavu?
Does anyone else want a coffee?
Does anyone else want a coffee?
Ne, više nitko.
No, no one else.
No. No one else.